Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to bring power off menu to power button in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. If you long press this power button, instead of power off menu, Google Assistant appears. Okay, if you would like to bring power off menu to this power button, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone first. Go to settings here, then go to shortcuts and accessibility, and here select press and hold power button, and here click on press and hold power button, and by default it is set to launch Google Assistant. Suppose if you would like to bring power off menu to power button, just you have to choose first one, and so that power off menu now appears while pressing this power button for a long time, few seconds. Okay, see here, press and hold power button for few seconds and power off menu is now appeared. Okay, so in this way you can easily bring power off menu to power button in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.